So the Porsche models, this is what people call an impact bumper, or technically a G-series Porsche, from 74 to 89. This car I've had many times before. I think I first supplied it in 1998. And then this is an earlier car, so the grey one's one of the last of them. This is one of the first of them, albeit it's a 77. They came out in 74, but as this model. And then you get variations, which is fun, and you've got to know what you're doing with these. So this one is more like a little RS than an original car. It looks original, but it packs a punch. This one, also G-series, very well modified for performance, so it's all go rather than massive show. Registration number says it all. And still on the G-series theme, this is our own car that we compete with a 3.2 engine in it. Lots of variations, all G-series, all what you'd call an impact bumper car, and we really like all versions of good impact bumper 911. They make great companions as classic cars, good fun, easy to use, easy to look after, and I think completely sound place to enjoy yourself.